Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Experience. My name is Mercy and I'm the host of this channel. In my last video, I showed you how to create vertical column headings in Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create angled column headings. All right, so what I mean is column headings like this one, like these ones. Okay, you can see that the two headings here are angled to the left, and this heading here is angled to the right. Okay, to achieve this type of headings, what you need is a text box. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. First of all, I'm going to cut this heading here, and then I will access the Insert tab. Click on it, and then you find Shapes. Click on Shapes, and you'll find Text box. Click on Text box and bring it to where you want it, and then paste the heading that I've just copied. Once done, I can then rotate it in the direction that I want it. Okay, I'll do the same thing for this heading here. I'll cut and then go to the Insert tab to find my shapes. Click on Shapes, find Text box, bring it to the cell that I want it, paste the heading and rotate it in the direction that I want. This last column here has no heading yet, so I'm just going to go to the Insert tab to find the text box, bring it to the heading cell, and then type in the heading. So let's say that is for drama. I'll make the heading bold, just like the rest, and rotate the text box in the direction that I want. If you look at the text box or the headings, you would notice that the text boxes are all outlined. The shape outline is visible, and the inside of it is filled with white color. You want to get rid of the shape outline. You want also to get rid of the shape fill. So what you need to do is to click on the text box and then go to the Shape Format tab, and you will find Shape Fill. Click on Shape Fill and click on No Fill, and then go to Shape Outline. Click on Shape Outline, and you want No Outline. Do the same for the other two. Go to Shape Fill, No Fill, and No Outline. Click on it, go to Shape Fill, No Fill, and No Outline. So you can see now you've achieved angled headings. However, make sure you're using the same type of angle for all of them. If you're angling to the right or if you're angling to the left. Okay, so I'm going to show you another one. So this one here, let me paste it side by side so we can compare. So I'm going to copy that down. Did you notice the difference? On this one, the borders are angled as well as the text inside of it. This one here, the borders are not angled, just the headings inside of it. So to achieve this type of heading, where you have the borders angled as well as the headings, we need a different method. And I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video. So thank you for staying with me today. I hope you've learned something. If you have learned something, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.